Okay, so we're going to start here at youmakebuttons.com. I'll put this link in with the information for you. And the page right here with templates, you can see there's a variety of different formats, so whatever file type you're the most familiar with. And then on the left-hand side, there are the different sizes. So I'm going to go with 1 inch because that little punch cutter I have, it's a 1 inch punch cutter. And I'm going to go with a Word document. So I'll just click here in the 1 inch zone to download it. You know, if you have Photoshop, go for it, but I figured most people have access to Word. And so this inner gray circle, that's 1 inch in diameter, okay? And then I guess if you're making a button, that would be the outer shape of the button, or what would fold around the back. But what we want to do is come up here and insert a text box. So to do that, I can just click and drag over that gray area. Now I already have my text, and I want to kind of center it right there in that gray circle. So I can go like that. So I have "may you see clearly" and then hashtag AICTT for traveling tokens. And then once you're set up, you could just paste it in for 10 or 15 or however many traveling tokens you're making. So what I'm going to do right now, imagine I've pasted in all my text. I can come back here. I'm going to click on, actually come down here. I'll click on one of the gray circles. And the way this document is formatted is they're all connected, and then I can hit delete. So I deleted all the gray circles, so that means then I can print this out, and then when I'm cutting it by hand or cutting it with the stamp, I have a little extra room. Now I'm just going to undo that deleting. You want to make sure that you leave some space between the edge of the text and the gray, because right where that gray is, that's the 1 inch. That's exactly where the punch will cut. If you didn't want to use the punch, you could just leave these gray circles and then just cut them with scissors or with your X-Acto knife. Alrighty, there you have it.